Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's Rocketboy48 right here. Rocketboy48 right here. Rocketboy48 right here. Your favorite YouTuber. Yep, you know it. Don't deny it. Alright, so I heard there was this new thing going around in 2017. And this new toy. And I decided to get one and show you guys. So, look what I got. Fidget spinners. I got two with me here today. I got a black one and a white one. Don't comment that is mean, please. So what is a fidget spinner toy? Well, a fidget spinner toy is a toy that you spin, basically. And it's a fun little thing for kids to age probably 45. And I mean, I literally just get entertained from just looking like, what? And so they're pretty fun. And so today we will be learning not only how to use fidget spinners, but how to actually do some finger tricks. And I think you guys will really enjoy. And I'll make sure to do one special trick that I learned how to do on the fidget spinners. First, I decided let's get started. How to use a fidget spinner. Well, I'll start off with this one. Now, this is a regular fidget spinner. And they come in all different types of colors. Gold, purple, red, yellow, blue, green. You name it, they probably have it. Metallic, all those wood. You know, I don't know. Basically, there's a round part right there, and you would grab onto it. Because I have such a small hand, I prefer to grab onto it with my middle finger instead of my index finger. So you're going to grab onto it with your thumb on one side and your middle finger on the other side. You take your dominant hand and just spin it. And so you just hold it and try to make sure it doesn't hit your hand, that way so it doesn't stop. And that's what they look like. They're pretty cool, really. Basically how you use them. And so some of them are cool, like this one. This one's a white one, but it has blue rings right here. And you can also use them like that. You can just slide them down. And yeah, they're just pretty cool like that. This one's pretty cool, I thought. So I decided to pick this one up just to show you guys. Well, I guess let's get started right into the tricks.
So just dance, dance, dance.
watching this awesome video, and thank you for hitting or coming to watch this video. And so just make sure that if you haven't already, subscribe, and if also hit that little bell right down there next to the subscribe button, so you get every notification that I post a new video, because I would just hate for you guys to miss out on any video. And make sure you drop a like, probably right here or right here. I'm not sure where that thing's going to be right now. And just make sure you guys please post a like. It really helps out. Let's set a goal of 25 likes, and if we get our goal of 25 likes, I will not only do a giveaway for one of these, I will do 10 times better tricks and just more of these, and I will give away one of these. So make sure you guys hit that like, tell your friends, share the video, and well, thank you guys just pretty much for watching. This is Rocketboy 48.